Hello, Bronwyn. My name is Jake Dunham, and I'll be going over your degree audit today. I've got your degree pulled up here. Not your degree, I'm sorry, your resume for your resume audit. It's got some really good information. It's one page, which is great because it's supposed to be one page. I just have a couple of edits that I noticed. Other than that, it looks really good. Right here, that I intend to attend medical school and career medicine. I may change that to something like highly motivated student pursuing a career in medicine, something like that. It has some more action words to it. Education looks good. I would probably switch the Bachelor of Science with Southern Arkansas University and then put the Magnolia, Arkansas after Southern Arkansas University. Right here, you haven't graduated yet, so that would be expected May 2023, and then once you graduated, you would take that off, and you do not need your GPA on there because your employers will have your official transcript. Your honors and honor societies, this looks really good. You've done the dates right and everything. I would just move those down towards the bottom of your resume. Okay, let's see. Related experience looks good. Again, I would probably switch the name of the clinic and the internship and move the Magnolia, Arkansas over here. I would probably use some action words here. Maybe instead of 90 hours of shadowing resident positions, I would just have shadowed resident physicians for a total of 90 hours, something like that. Was included in patient sick and well appointments. I would maybe use a different word there. Hold on one second. Let's see, a good action word there. Maybe participated. Something along those lines. Instead of was included. Let's see. You could even say, that you, I'm trying to think of a good word, you took part in, something like that. Let's see, the published medical journal article, that's good. Your intercollegiate athletic experience, again, that's good, but I would probably move that down towards the bottom. Your work history and volunteer experience, those need to be separate things. So I would take off and volunteer experience. I would move the Phi Mu fraternity and the pre-health club, move that down to a different section, and just have your supplementary instruction, because that's the only actual work history. Again, I'd switch the title and the university, put Magnolia over here, and the dates over here like you have, that's good. And then I would put something, perhaps, I would take out the 2 to 3 weekly. I would just say held weekly study sessions to review organic chemistry content. And so then down here, after your work experience, you could have your intercollegiate athletics experience and have maybe a college and community service section here, where you could put everything for the FIMU, for FIMU and for your pre-health club. I would take off elected VP by chapter members, and also would take off responsibilities include. I would just take that whole sentence off, and I would start that with coordinated weekly chapter development meetings, organizations, things like that. Just really want to hit those action words. And then down at the bottom, that's where you can put your honors and your honor societies. So, like I said, it looks really good. I just would do a little bit of switching around that I talked about, and make those couple of changes in wording. But other than that, this is a really good resume. And if you have any other questions, you can let me know.